In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create YouTube video scripts with ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right into it. Creating a compelling YouTube video script can be one of the most crucial steps in ensuring your content not only engages your audience, but also stands out in the vast sea of videos available online. And today, I'm excited to share a method I've been using for the last 4 years to write effective scripts, and it's easier than you might think. So let's jump in. First, you'll want to open your Chrome browser. If you're using a different browser, that's fine too, but for this example, we'll stick with Chrome. Once you have Chrome open, look for the search bar at the top. This is where the magic begins. Let's talk about how you should phrase your request to ChatGPT to generate a script. For this exercise, I'll show you an example. Imagine you want to create a video about a special love story featuring a lion set in a forest during the winter. You would type in the search bar something like, "Please write a YouTube video script about a lion's love story in the forest during winter days." Once you have your prompt ready, go ahead and press Enter. Now this is the part where you just have to wait a few seconds for the results. In just a moment, ChatGPT will generate a script for you. Now, as the script materializes, take a moment to appreciate how clear and engaging it can be. You'll find that it often includes a strong hook, that attention-grabbing opening that draws your audience in right from the start. This is essential because you want your viewers to feel compelled to keep watching, and that hook can set the stage for the entire story. As you read through the script generated by ChatGPT, pay attention to how it flows. Does it invite the audience into the world you're creating? Does it evoke emotions appropriate to a love story? You may want to tweak certain sections to better fit your voice or the specifics of your video concept. It's crucial to adapt the script, ensuring it resonates authentically with your audience. Here's where it gets really exciting. Using ChatGPT not only saves you time, but also provides you with a strong foundation to build upon. I recommend reviewing the generated script for engagement. Look at the pacing of the story, the dialogues, and the descriptive elements that can really bring your video to life. You might even find inspiration for visual cues you can include while filming. Once you're satisfied with your script, consider adding personal anecdotes or experiences that relate to the story. This is a fantastic way to connect deeper with your audience, as they'll appreciate your unique perspective and storytelling style. Don't forget, this method isn't just for love stories involving lions or other specific themes. You can use the same basic approach to generate scripts on various topics, whether it's educational content, tutorials, or entertaining skits. The possibilities are endless. Finally, if you feel the script is looking good, go ahead and practice delivering it. Read it out loud a few times so you can get comfortable with the wording and pacing. This will not only help you with your delivery, but also allow you to make any last-minute adjustments before hitting that record button. And that's it. That's how you create engaging YouTube video scripts with ChatGPT. Remember,